All right, good morning. Been working on my floor a little bit. Got my bathroom walls trimmed out. Just waiting for that to dry, probably tomorrow. And then I'll cut around my switches and put these last two pieces in. But boy, that sure looks good. Alright, so you see where I've run my flooring. I've still got an open box out there. I'm going to go ahead and finish that box. So I'll probably get another row back that way, and then I'll protect my corners. Because what I was doing was trimming out this the cat tower, and I'll be back. Okay, little recap before I put my tools away and clean up everything. Today I worked on the cat tower. Got the sides all put in. Remember, the cat box goes down there, the cat hotel goes in there, and these two up here are wardrobes for, not wardrobe, linen closets. And this is what she's starting to look like on this side. All gets the tongue and groove, of course. And I don't know if you can see or not. Let's try from this side. It's a little bright out. Yeah, here's under the sink. We got our drain hole. Our hot and cold stubs. Our heat, which comes up and goes through. Got the bathroom tongue and grooved. Went over this earlier. I just haven't finished these last two pieces because they have to be cut around these boxes and stuff. And it's much easier when you're working with a without that one moving around and this type of thing. Because remember, I've got wires in this wall, so I can't be shooting nails through it. So it's silicone to the wall. This one here, I was able to shoot a few in, and it looks real good. We really like it. It'll look better when I get all the bracing off and everything. So my cat tower is underway. All right, let me clean up some mess and I'll be back. Say goodnight.